everyone, I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. So we are back with a new video, and in this video we will be telling you about the daily use English sentences from Urdu to English. So those who are having the difficulty in speaking any single word and translating that word from Urdu to English, they can definitely watch this video and have a gist of what to speak whenever you get hesitant of not thinking about that specific word. So watch this video twice or thrice so as to memorize all the words and the sentences which we'll share with you, and these are the daily use sentences. So let's start the video, Isha. Okay, that now the first sentence. मैं ये ड्रेस ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं पहन सकती.
I can't wear this dress for long.
ममा ने मेरे बाल बनाए.
Mama did my hair.
क्या मैं क्यूट लग रही हूँ?
Do I look cute?
Yes, you are. कमरे में अंधेरा है.
It's dark in the room.
मुझे नहीं जाना वहाँ.
I don't wanna go there.
वहाँ सब मुझे डराते हैं.
Everyone scares me.
क्या आप मेरे साथ वहाँ चलोगी?
Will you come with me there?
क्या आप अपने से कपड़े पहन सकती हो?
Can you wear clothes by yourself?
क्या आपको कार चलानी आती?
Do you know how to drive a car?
मुझे नहीं आती कार.
Don't know how to drive a car.
आप मुझे सिखाओगी?
Will you teach me?
पर मेरे पास कार ही नहीं है.
But I don't have a car.
Thank you so much for watching. So this was all from our side for you, and I hope you have learned Urdu to English basic common sentences, daily life sentences. So for more useful content, stay tuned with English with Palosha and keep following us. Like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so as to learn more and more. Thank you so much for watching.